Imagine stepping into a landscape so wildly cinematic, so perfectly sculpted, that it feels like nature spent a little extra time crafting it just for you. That's Jack's Point, an extraordinary slice of Queenstown where mountains rise like ancient giants, Lake Wakatipu glows with deep sapphire calm, and every gust of wind carries a sense of quiet freedom. The moment you arrive, something inside you softens. The world feels wider, slower, and stunningly peaceful. Here, the Remarkables mountain range looms dramatically in the background, their rugged peaks catching the morning light in shades of gold and rose. Rolling grasslands sway gently under the open sky, offering views that seem to stretch beyond imagination. Walking the trails around Jack's Point feels like drifting through a living postcard, crisp air filling your lungs, the soft crunch of earth beneath your feet, and an overwhelming sense of serenity wrapping around you. Whether you're gazing across the still, shimmering lake or watching clouds slide lazily along the mountains, Jack's Point feels like a place where worries dissolve. It's not just beautiful, it's calming, grounding, and quietly magical. A place that doesn't just touch your senses, but reaches deep into your soul and whispers, "Slow down, breathe, you're exactly where you need to be."